The camera shoe is comprised of the camera shoe base, the camera shoe rails, and a lever lock. The lever lock moves up and down as the camera shoe foot is slid into place. In order to remove the camera shoe, press up on the lever lock in order to release it. The swivel ball head uses 3 adjustable knobs for variable movement: the primary locking knob, the secondary tension knob, and the secondary locking knob. The primary locking knob is used to allow the ball joint to move. The secondary knob is used to adjust the tension. Note that it is not a locking feature, and that loosening or tightening it beyond the retention feature can result in damage. The secondary locking knob allows for the swivel head to rotate around the axis of the monopod. The C-track assembly is comprised of the clamp insert, C-track clamp, and C-track. The friction of the C-track assembly allows for the C-track assembly to rotate around the axis of the monopod, as well as move up and down. There are 4 twist locks on the ball clamp monopod used to either shorten or lengthen it. Loosen the twist lock in order to adjust it. Lock it back in place at the desired length. These steps can be repeated as needed. The ball clamp is comprised of the thumb screw, clamp base, clamp arm, and ball hemispheres. In order to install the ball clamp, first unscrew the thumb screw in order to open up the arm. Then remove the 2 ball hemispheres, which should be able to split apart. Tighten the thumb screw in order to close the arm around the ball hemispheres. The next section is over the attachment of the ball clamp monopod onto a handrail. First, unscrew the thumb screw in order to move the arm and release the ball hemispheres. Split the ball hemispheres apart and place them onto the handrail so that there is no gap between the 2 hemispheres and so that they snap into place. Then wrap the arm and base around the hemispheres and tighten the thumb screw. Fully tightening the thumb screw locks the monopod into place, and partially loosening the thumb screw allows for the monopod to be adjusted as needed. Here is the installation of the ball clamp monopod from an alternate view. Once again, wrap the arm and base around the hemispheres that are attached to the handrail and tighten the thumb screw. Partially tightening the thumb screw allows for the ball clamp monopod to be adjusted, and fully tightening the thumb screw allows for the monopod to be locked into place. In order to detach the ball clamp monopod, the thumb screw can then be unscrewed in order to release the arm. From here, the ball hemispheres can just be pulled off of the handrail, attached back together, placed back inside of the ball clamp, with the screw being retightened in order to capture the ball hemispheres. We would like to give a special thanks to the following schools for their work on creating the ball clamp monopod: Clear Creek High School, Conroe High School, Cypress Woods High School, Dade County Middle School, and Career Academies of Decatur. Thank you to the teacher and students at Cypress Woods High School for demonstrating the features of the ball clamp monopod in this video: Gerald Ford, Jennifer Bennett, and Brandon Bennett. Narration by Luke Sammons.